drill. Got this chicken. Let me just. Oh, what? It's what? Oh fuck! It's too slippery. Let me. Ugh. Oh, let me just get this. Yeah. Oh fuck! It's too slippery. Lift. Oh, come here, bitch. Oh. And take this hammer.
What the fuck do you want, you little bitch?
Hey,
What?
hey, come here.
What?
Come here. Chicken. Oh, I need help.
What do you mean? Whoa.
Look, so slippery.
What did you do with it? Whoa. Yeah, no,
It's
that's
slippery.
look.
Yeah.
We have to catch it. No.
Okay.
No, my chicken. No, come. No. Oh,
Oh,
man.
oh,
Oh.
it's on the tape. Wait. Oh, my tape, my window. Oh,
Oh shit.
oh. Wait,
Jesus Christ, how many
wait,
chickens do you have?
don't mind that. Okay. You got the new chicken now? Try
Yeah.
again. Oh,
Bro, what are these chickens? Wait,
Hey,
look, this is from my
the fuck is
boss.
that?
I cut
Oh.
them off,
ah,
but now we can use it for the chicken.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Bro, dude, what are you doing? Look.
wait, take.
No,
Ah.
fuck.
Oh, window.
Well, oh, you killed a neighbor.
Yeah, just take this. I'm just gonna take this.
And this one. Fuck
Oh.
off. Jesus. Open it.
Okay. I got this, and I'm just gonna. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how you do it.
Yeah, okay, nice.
Okay, now let me just take this and stick it in the ass. Oh.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Oh.
No, what are you doing? No, dude.
Wait, wait. You do it.
Okay.
Or,
Uh,
oh, okay, you do it.
okay, look, this is how a real man does it.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
oh fuck.
What? Not my chicken.
Wait, I got this machine. I got it from my great grandpa. No, you just.
Here is the first chicken.
And you just put it here. And oh,
What the fuck?
oh
Dude,
fuck.
are you
Oh,
crazy?
my bad. Let me just. Okay.
Okay, look, slowly, soft. Yes.
Nice. Okay. And.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh, what? How is that possible? Okay. Yeah.
I don't know where you got that drill from, but okay.
Yeah. That's okay. Okay. That's how it
No. Put it in here.
is. Does it?
Oh man, it doesn't fit. You always get the cheapest shit online.
Oh. Let me just.
Couldn't you
Yeah,
use
that.
a knife for that? Do you have no knife? Fucking man, this is not how you do it. Look, this is shit.
What's it?
We have to put it in. It's like that, yeah.
Oh. Oh yeah, you're smart. Okay.
Yeah.
And just put that in. And
What
out.
you clapping for?
No, it's just.
Yeah, now
cheap.
it works. See, I'm genius.
Now I just gotta put this in. And just. Oh. Wait, just. Ugh!
Great.
Oh,
What this shit show? You restart, bro. Look.
Let me just.
This
What
is
is
my grandpa's
that?
machine. Yeah. No, listen. We're gonna put these torches here, and now we put that chicken in.
Okay.
Now look, I'm gonna light those torches up, and you turn on the machine.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, no, that's too fast.
Wait, the candle. Oh, bro. Wait.
What the fuck is
It's just-
that? Napalm?
Wait, you're. Okay, and I just press this. Yeah, that works.
God damn.
And just spin it in. Oh, fuck.
Whoa, nah, now it's too crispy.
Oh, fuck.
Damn it.
Okay. Just get these.
The fuck do you want to do with those books?
Wait. Okay, so this. No. This. No. Okay. Oh, hell yeah! Come here.
What? What's that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You wanna do it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Let's clean this room up.
Clean it up.
Piece of shit furniture. Okay.
Yeah. And we can do that. Yeah.
Look, this is my engineering kit. So.
Okay.
Okay,
Just gonna
30 degrees Celsius, then 145, 30 centimeters, 70 knots, and 50 kilometers per hour, and 160 degrees.
And
Yeah,
perfect.
looks good.
Okay.
Let's get
Now
the cocaine.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Oh. Oh, where the fuck do I put these? Oh, here. Okay.
Yeah, more bricks from the neighbor, stolen. God damn it.
Ah. Yeah.
So,
Put the cocaine in.
yeah, put all of the
Okay.
cocaine into that thing.
All of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me just.
Here's the white
More
cocaine.
Where did you get so much cocaine?
Nah, don't test. Okay,
Okay.
let's see.
And the stick.
No.
What?
That's
Hmm.
we need more cocaine.
Okay.
Oh shit. Let me check your kitchen.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, I knew you had some.
Yeah. Yeah. I always have some spare cocaine. Okay. It's just.
here. No. You have to remove the paper.
Oh. Okay. Okay. And now we mix and try it now.
Yeah.
That's
No,
good.
it's good. Let's go. Perfect.
Yep. I'm just gonna move this here. I'll put this down and give me some bricks. Oh.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
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 Here.
That. Okay.
I'm just gonna throw it. Yeah.
Oh,
Not even looking.
Oh.
Good. Fast.
Oh. That's good.
What?
Oh shit.
Hold on.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Get the cocaine.
And just
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. More. There you go.
Nice.
Yeah, looks good. Okay.
Yep.
Now the wall.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Okay. No. No.
That
My
looks
hand.
nice.
Dude.
Oh
Yeah.
fuck. Just put it. Just cover this. Yep.
Okay, the last bricks. Okay. Up. There we
That it?
go.
Perfect. Now let's get some chicken.
Chicken.
Oh fuck. What?
What?
Oh fucking hell. We don't have any.
You ate all of them. Great.
Let me just. Oh.
Plastic
Wait.
bag.
Mm,
Look at this mess. You pig.
yeah. I can't see shit. Oh, wait. I got some
Oh
sausages.
my god, you're so smart.
Yeah.
But
I know, right?
Why do you always keep them in your ass? But okay.
No, don't. Okay.
Well, I think we did a great job today.
Yeah.
There we
Okay.
go.
That's the life.
That's the lifestyle.
Yes. Perfect.
Why are you touching me?
No, don't mind it. Okay.
Oh.
It's,
Oh, shit.
Oh fuck.
No. Oh my god.